Hello and welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Coding. In this course, we're going to look at how to get started with coding, what coding is, how websites are made. We're going to dive into everything that's completely beginner friendly, and then we're going to slowly transition into actually creating a website using HTML and CSS. Now, this course is perfect for you if you've never written a single line of code, or if you've written a little bit of code but you want to learn a little bit more. Now, if you've already written HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, things like that, this course probably is not for you. However, if you have not written any code, or if you've written a tiny bit of code and you want to learn a little bit more, this course is definitely 100% for you. Hi, I'm Caleb Tolley, and I'm going to be your instructor in this course. I've taught over 300,000 students how to code. I'm a senior web developer. I've been making websites for about 20 odd years now, and I am a premium coding instructor. I would like to say thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you inside.